We'll guide you through how to add and create multiple user accounts in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Firstly, you need to go and open up your settings. So come to the bottom of your computer and tap on the Windows Start button just here, and then click on Settings, or you can search for it. In your settings, head over to the left and go and tap on Accounts, and then scroll down your accounts until you go and see the option for other users just here. So click here. And then, as you can see, we've got the option for add account. Down here is my other account called Rob. And to add another, you just press add account like this. And then what you can do is you can go and add the email address if that person's going to sign in with a Microsoft account. But if you want to go and create a local account on your computer, tap on I don't have this person's sign-in information. And then what you can do is go and click on add a user without a Microsoft account, because then it's fully offline and I prefer to do it this way anyway. And then what you can do is go and create this account. So I'll go and create an account for GuideRealm and then enter in a password just like so. And then you can also go and add some recovery questions here for that user as well. So of course you may want to go and get that user to fill this out, or you can tell them what you entered. After you've clicked next, you've then gone and added a local account. And of course you could have also added a Microsoft account as well. And that's it. Now I'll show you what it looks like when you go and sign out of this account. And this is what it looks like on your Windows 11 login screen. You may need to go to the bottom left to go and choose the account you want to go and sign into. And once you've selected it, you can then enter the password and go and use the account. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.